Hi, today you're going to learn on how to use the keyword planner on Google Ads dashboard. Google Ads provides you with a fantastic tool called the keyword planner. Under tools and settings, in planning section, select the keywords planner. Keywords planner has a new feature which has been recently rolled out. It involves you to discover new keywords that can help you reach people interested in your product and service. So this is how it looks. You can either start with keywords which you already know, which are related to your product or service. Or second option is start with the website. Make sure when you start with the website, your website has sufficient text content and which is very easy for the search engine to fetch keywords. I always prefer starting with this option and then generating more keywords. Once you fill in the keywords in this section, all you have to do is click on get results. Example, leather boots, buy leather boots. You can keep adding more keywords or just click on get results. On basis of your keyword searches, Google Ads themselves will provide you some keyword ideas. You can just click on this box here and select them. If you want to include them, you can add them to the plan. This option is very easy to use. Keyword Planner also provides you volume and forecast for shortlisted keywords. If you already have a list of keywords, you can just drag and drop these keywords here and Google Ads will provide you the forecast. Let me show you how. So once again, I put in these keywords. I click on get started. Now these are three columns which the keyword planner provides. First is the forecast. Forecast tells you on these specific keywords what would be the number of clicks, impressions, cost involved. You can always add in a conversion rate of your website here. For example, if I add 4, it is showing me for these two keywords, I would add the location being India in the next month. These are the estimated clicks. These are the estimated conversions. In the locations tab, you can always change the location from India to from country to city, globally as well. Second column is historical metrics. Historical metrics gives you competition and what are the average monthly sessions. Now as you see in these two keywords, the cost per click is 46 rupees. This shows you what is the current trend, and historical metrics is giving me that these two keywords are having a very high competition. So if Google search engine also provides you with a special search related to the keyword section. It is shown in the bottom of the every search pages. Even on the mobile devices, users are able to see this. Try to collate keywords on basis of this, and then once a list is ready, all you can do is, with the help of the keyword planner, you can run them through this option, get search and volume forecast. So today you learned there are two ways on looking at keyword planner. One is when you just know a single keyword. You can always discover new keywords on basis of one or two keywords which you already have in mind or a website. A second way is developing your own list of keywords using the Google search engine related searches, and then getting their search volume and forecast. Please remember these forecasts are approximate numbers. They will guide you in what should be your marketing budget. And the most important parameter for any campaign would be A, search volume of the keyword, second, conversion rate of the website. Make sure you're aware about both these aspects before you launch any search campaign. Thank you.